pressure's on, it's paint time. And we need to assemble the best team in the business to get this VK looking mint and shiny. The boys from MTL are here. Instead of building engines, they're working on rubbing down panels. We've got Mark from Heritage Speed Co. is in the oven as we speak, laying down paint on the shell, and it's looking really mint. It's all starting to come together. So finally, paint is on and it's looking glossy and the depth to it, and I can really now see all of the hard work that we've put into the panels, getting the body straight, and it's looking awesome. Can you tell I'm happy? Well, we're at this stage now, we're doing the fine line taping up for the blackouts around the doors and the pillars, a little bit around the boot. We then drop a sheet of plastic over the car, get some satin black on there, and get it over the mix to get the engine and box into it.
Alright, so we've got the VK's engine ready to go in. 355 hydraulic roller stroker, 750 brawler carby, put an electric water pump on it to make it all nice and pretty. Nice billet aluminium bracket. We've had to modify the water pump, put a fitting in there for a heater because they don't come with a heater fitting. Yeah, that's about it. We've got all good ignition system in it, stuff like that, MSD. 10.5 to 1 comp, so hopefully we should make our 450 horsepower and we'll be right.
I'm ready to go, mate.
Good. So what do we got, an Australian hero here?
An Australian hero. It's that has been the bane of our lives.
You've got to know it intimately.
Yes.
Now we're at the clean stage of the build. That's when we like to come in anyway.
Yeah, the easy stage.
The easy stage, yeah. It's all easy. It's easy when you just open up the product and it goes in, but we had a couple of hours of work ahead of us here.
Yeah.
So we're at the insulation stage of the game now.
Yeah.
So great canvas here that it's been through paint. This is the time to do it on a resto car.
So are we going to put another strip on this side as well?
Yep, so grab your off cut.
Yeah.
Now, notice on the back side, it's got a nice grid pattern. What you can do is throw that up in position. If you hold that up, let's just choose a line. So I'm probably going to look at this line here, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
So now you can just run your scissors down that line there to cut the sides. So that grid means you can cut straight lines.
Rolling, 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 rolling. Our work here is done.
That's done.
All right, what's next?
Floor.
Floor? Let's do it.
This is actually comforting, isn't it?
This is comforting. I can just have a snooze. Just wrapped up in my car, but just put my hood up. All right, that seems to be it. It's looking absolutely mint. Off to get sound system tomorrow, and then off to get trimmed the day after that, and then back here for the madness of finishing it all up.
Well, we look forward to seeing it at the unveil.
Yeah, a week from tomorrow.
I'm going to go get some rest, mate. I'll leave you to it.
Well, you're not going to stay and give me a hand, no?
Sorry, mate. I've got more VKs to save.
Thank you.
Alright, we're assembling the VK at the moment, so we've just assembled the brake calipers, put them on the car. Now we've got some Bendix brake pads. We're going to get the pads ready to put them on the car. Yeah, put a bit of lube on the back. Always put a bit of lube on the backing plate and on the edges there, stops all the rattling and squeaking, and we'll get them in the car.
Hey mate, how are you?
Not too bad yourself?
I'm glad it's in your capable hands and not mine. I'm not a sound guy. I love good sound systems, but
Yep.
not a sound guy.
Fair enough.
I don't like dealing with wires.
Yes, I understand. A lot of people don't.
Yeah.
But look, it's what we do, so
Yeah.
we're used to it. But yeah,
Where are you starting on this one?
well, we're just going to map out what we're going to do. VK's obviously being an older car, are a little bit fiddly to work with.
Yeah.
So we've got a fair degree of custom work that needs to be done, but we're not doing over the top. So
Yeah.
we've got to obviously make these speakers fit in the front doors and make some speakers fit in the back shelf. They're fairly sizable and heavy and
They've got
well
some
built.
serious weight to them, don't they?
Yep, they do.
And depth.
So
I think that's about as
yep, so we're going
deep
to
as
have
the
to,
door is.
yeah, we're going to have to space them out so they clear the windows.
Yeah.
Also 2 amps in the back and a sub. So it's going to sound great.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just have to do a few little custom things here to make it work.
Sounds like a plan.
It is a plan. So we're looking at the back of the boot here. To sort of optimise boot space as much as possible, we're going to mount the amps on the back wall there, make up a MDF panel, mount them nice and secure there, wire them up nice and neat, and then we're going to do a cover trim to just neaten it up and make it look nice and factory and neat. As for sub in this car, we're just going to have a standalone sub box sitting in the back of the boot. So here we have our Alpine slimline 12-inch sub. Basically, it's designed to be either downward facing or you can have it sitting up. We're going to have it sitting up in this application.
Yeah, up to that.
And basically, we'll try and keep everything nice and symmetrical, so we'll just have it sitting in the middle of the boot there. We'll have a couple of anchor points which are easy to remove if they want to take it out.
Yeah.
And have it nice and secure.
Awesome. I reckon that's going to rattle the boot lid clean off it.
VK's never had speakers in the doors, so we're just trying to build some speaker panels to be able to mount the speakers to. The Alpine speakers are quite deep, so we need to make sure that we're giving the speaker enough clearance to be able to put the windows up and down as well. So I'm just making a quick cardboard template to give us a bit of a guide as to what we've got to work with and make sure we can fit everything into the area that we've got to work with.
It is late at night and it is absolute chaos around here. There's parts flying all over the place. Everybody's busy. Everybody's under time pressure. But you know what? That's the way it is with builds like this. Time pressures are insane. However, we've got a saying around here. Eat, sleep, resto, repeat. We're quite insane, but we live for this. Next time you see this build, you won't want to miss it. Trust me.